probably seen cups and balls. Yeah? Have you seen my cane? No? Well, actually, I don't think I want you to see the cane, so we're going to bring out cups and balls. Alright? So, you know the idea, we've got 3 solid cups. Under 1 cup are 3 balls of yarn. What we're going to do, I'm going to set the balls right on top, just like that. Alright? And take 1 ball, so we would take this ball. Go ahead and take it, in 1 hand, just vanish it, just like that. It reappears in the first cup. Yes? I'm going to try this with the second ball, alright? Take the second ball, go ahead, just like that, crumble it up into a ball. Go ahead and vanish it. It reappears under the second cup. I'm going to try this with the third ball, alright? I'm going to take the third ball, crumble it, vanishes, and reappears under the last cup. Now here's the thing. I'm going to try something a little different. Probably never seen this part before. And take the ball, put it on top of the first cup, set the other 2 balls aside for now. I cover the first ball with the other 2 cups, and I snap, the ball travels through the 2 cups onto the table. Let's try this again for the new arrivals. Just take the ball, place it on the middle cup. Go ahead and place the other 2 cups on top of the ball. Go ahead and snap. The ball travels through the 2 cups. I'm going to try this one more time. Pay close attention. I'm actually going to try this. Try a harder version. I'm going to stack 1 cup before I put the ball on. Place the ball on top of both cups. Place the cup on top of the second ball. Now here's the thing. I have to snap, but I have to snap a second time for the ball to travel to the table. You know what? That's getting a little redundant. I'm going to bring out something else. I'm going to bring out my box. I'm going to go ahead and put these back in the box. This is a really special box, considering the fact that no matter what you put in it, it will always be completely empty. Let's bring some. Actually, there's no reason for the cups anymore. Let's go ahead and see. Yeah, it's empty. Mom, did you remember to pack my fire can?
I thought you packed it.
I thought you packed it.
Sorry.
Actually, maybe I might have packed it. Being a magician, I might have made it invisible. If we take this just like that, just like that, do a little bit of a magical wave, we pull out yellow can. I'm gonna go ahead and move this backwards. We are not going to be using fire with this fire can. I screwed up.
Uh-oh.
Actually, we're just gonna go ahead and dump out the water. Like that. Put that away. And then we're gonna go ahead and reach in just like that. Just like that. Does anybody want to hold on to these? All those? Yes. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and dump out the rest of the water now. Pass those around, make sure they're, for the most part, dry. Yeah.
Wow.
Well, normally I would light this on fire, but I screwed up. I'm gonna go ahead and put that away, go ahead and show that the box is, again, completely empty.
Sir,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
And then I'm going to go ahead and pull out a deck of cards. If I can find my deck of cards. Back pocket right there. Alright. What I'm going to do, does anybody want to open these?
Justin, do you want?
Why is everybody so far away? You guys can come
We're
closer.
smoking, so that's why. You could go.
actually, I might actually borrow that knife from you.
Okay.
If you throw it us away's head, I'll put it go.
I'll agree.
Right? Got it. You can go ahead and throw that away. I'm going to go ahead and pull out the deck of cards. What I'm going to do is remove the jokers. I'm going to go ahead and throw those over that way. And then the ad cards. Throw those at you. Yeah, no, I missed. Then I'm going to go ahead and shuffle these. Actually, I'm going to have someone else shuffle these. You'll be my volunteer for the day.
Okay. How many times do you want me to shuffle?
Doesn't matter, just until you're satisfied with the way you shuffle. Just wondering, ma'am, do you by any chance have inside pockets on that vest?
I don't.
You don't. How about you on your shirt, your sweater? No? All right. I'm gonna have to wait for someone else to come along. Oh, there's other people.
More people.
All right. You guys being new arrivals, I'm gonna ask one of you guys to volunteer. Do any of you guys have an inside pocket on your coat?
Nope. I don't think so.
You don't? No? Probably not? No? All right, then I'm gonna have you guys, one of you, go ahead and pick a card. One of you. Like that. I'm going to come over here and turn around. So you can show everybody, show my mom with the camera, show whoever you want, but not me.
Show everyone. Okay.
All right, you good?
So what do I do with it?
Hide the card. I'm gonna have you tell me when to cut the deck.
Cut.
Right there?
Yep.
I'm gonna have you go ahead and put your card back. You might hide just the face of the card.
I didn't know.
Yeah? And actually we're gonna come over here in the grass. I'm gonna keep the deck in view of the camera, by the way, and the rest of the audience.
It's a moving production.
So
Nobody's
that
having a
everybody
problem
knows
with the
I am
drunk
not
one.
messing with the cards while we walk.
Walking's difficult at this stage.
All right? All right. Now take this, spread it out on the ground, like this. Sure, all the cards are face down. Right? Is this fair?
Yep.
Maybe go ahead and just a little bit more. Is this fair?
Yep.
I asked you if I could borrow your knife.
Yes, sir.
Could I go ahead and borrow that from you?
Yes, sir.
All right. And who picked that card?
Where'd she go?
You picked that card. I'm going to have you come over here.
Ooh. Okay.
All right? I'm going to come down. I'm going to have you come down with me. I'm going to have you guide my hand over the cards. I'm going to let you guide my hand.
Down to the cards.
Guide my hand around the cards.
Like I'm doing.
Yes. Which card would you say that knife landed closest to? That one. Would you mind picking up that card and showing everybody which card that was?
My card.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
I don't like thinking now.
And there's your knife back, sir.
Thank you.
Then I'm going to try a little something. Let's see if we all connect. All right? Do you guys think being close to each other as we are right now, you guys can link minds, maybe?
Yeah. guess anything's possible.
Anything is possible.
Justin and I'll leave.
All right, I'm going to have everybody pick cards. Do not show anybody which card you picked, though. All right?
Okay.
Starting with you.
Stop.
Right there?
Yep.
That'll be your card.
Okay.
All right, look, don't show anybody. And then I'm going to have you as well.
Okay.
There? There. Don't show anybody. Right. All right, and then you.
There.
There? Right then. There. Good? All right then. And you as well. There? Did you see what card she picked?
No.
No, you didn't. All right then.
She not
Stop.
test, okay?
Oh, okay.
All right. Then you.
Stop.
All right. Did you just see her card?
No.
No? How about you?
I saw it.
You saw it. That card?
Stop.
Look. All right. Oh,
That was close.
good. It landed face down, right? How about you? All right. Did you see that card? No, did not.
Oh, sorry.
Good.
You're fine.
Should be her mind or something.
All right. And you are the last.
Stop.
All right. Turn your head. Like that. All right. I just had everybody pick a card, correct?
Yes.
Everybody except for you, right? We'll try a little mental experiment. You guys, if this worked, you guys will all have chosen the exact same card. All right? You guys will have chosen and remembered the exact same card. All right? You guys all remember your cards?
Yep.
All right then. I'm going to count to 3. On the count of 3, I will have you all shout the name of your card.
Okay.
All right? 1, 2, 3. Just like that.
What?
All right. Let's try another card trick, shall we? If you have to get back to work, I understand. I'm gonna have you pick a card this time. All right? Doesn't matter which card. And this time, it doesn't matter if I see this card, because I'm going to have you sign it. Gotta move the cat first. All right, you good? Take the card. Then I'm going to have you tell me when to cut the deck.
No.
There? All right, then I'm going to have you put your card back. And then does anybody here know how to shuffle?
No.
No? You know how to shuffle. Oh. Don't.
You want me to put it on the bottom?
It doesn't matter. Shuffle it until you are completely satisfied with the way you shuffle.
You have a lot of fun today.
Mom, you have your purse on you?
Yeah.
Yeah, you might as well go ahead and fish out that other deck of cards. All right, are you sure you are completely satisfied with the way you shuffled the
Yes.
deck? All right. Would it be fair to say that the only real way to find the card that was chosen, your card, would be to look through the deck?
Yes.
Yes? Actually, I'm going to try to find the card in kind of an extraordinary way. I'm going to go ahead and place the cards into my mouth. With her card. I don't know, that looks all right. No?
No, stop. Stop. Hey, stop. Come here, Jimmy.
Huh? No?
Stop.
Uh-oh.
All right, you got your meal.
Uh,
Got a meal on?
huh?
All right, that's your buddy. We're friends.
Oh.
That's your buddy. Okay, it's your buddy.
How'd you do that?
Does anybody want to open this?
Oh, I knew it.
Did I open it?
Yes. Let Mom
Yeah?
do it. Mom will do it.
I'll go ahead and just, like this. like that. Awesome. What is this card? I can't tell. But
It's like 3 and 10.
3 of diamonds. Actually my favorite card.
I'll give it back to Les.
That's okay.
All right. Well, that went pretty far.
Yeah, it did. You threw it far. The wind must have caught it.
So, I gave you a pen. I've actually been working on a trick on a kind of a routine with a pen. That's a regular pen, right?
Yep.
If I take this pen, right?
Yeah.
Just like this. Go ahead and move the cap just like that, right? Right? If I go ahead and vanish the cap.
We're all halfway watching the show and
Actually,
halfway
it's not
watching
really
the dogs.
gone. It's just on the other end of the pen. Yeah? Here we go. Gonna take the pen just like this, right? If I
Okay,
go
stop
ahead and just
watching the
tap
dogs.
it, right? Just like that. Yeah? Actually, it landed on the other end of the pen. No, seriously, watch this. You're gonna see this time, all right? Ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm just joking, it's behind my ear. Actually, the weight of it is actually pulling me off to the side. Like this.
Yeah, right there. It's
Like that. I need to work on that.
How are you?
You know what? How about coins now? Does anybody like coin magic? You like coin magic. You really. If you were the first person to raise your hand, would you like to volunteer?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. I'm going to do something for everybody first. I've got a riddle. All right? Okay. Are any of you guys good at riddles?
No.
No? You good at riddles? All right. Did you see which 2 coins I took out of my hand? No. No? Good, because that's what you're going to guess. I've got 2 coins in my hand. These are American coins. They total 11 cents, and one of them's not a dime. What do I have? This is for all of you. I've got 2 coins in my hand. These are both American coins. They total 11 cents. One of them's not a dime. What do I have?
Yeah, one of them's not a dime, so one of them is a dime.
Actually, you got it right. Good
job.
I have
Nice.
2 coins. One of them's not a dime because one of them's a penny. That was a pretty good question. How about a questionable trick? All right? Do you mind holding out your hand? All right, go ahead and close your hand. Turn your hand over, and now shake those 2 coins up, so that everybody can hear them, and so that they mix up, so that nobody can tell which one's which. Yeah? I'm gonna have you go ahead and turn your hand over again. Go ahead and reach in with this hand and pick one. Don't look. You got your coin? Is this the coin you like, or this one? This one. I'm gonna have you go ahead and place that on the back of your hand.
No, put the coin on the back
Put
of
the
your hand.
coin on the back. That one? You like that one?
Yeah.
Actually, we'll go with it. I like that coin too. I actually really like pennies. You know why? Does anybody know why?
No, why?
For the most part, pennies are made out of copper. I'm going to have you leave your hand closed, by the way. Pennies are for the most part made of copper and zinc, which means they have a low melting point. I'm going to show you what I mean. I'm going to take the penny, place it on the back of your hand, all right? Feel that? Yeah? I'm going to try to cause the penny to melt through your hand. All right?
Caleb, it's gonna leave.
You can feel that? Feel that?
Oh, big hole.
Stop. The penny is in your hand
Step back some more.
because the dime's on top. Dime's on top. Go ahead and
So
look
let's
in your
see what's
hand.
in your hand.
Got the penny in your hand.
Oh!
I'm actually going to ask you, does anybody here know how to make money?
Job.
Get a job. That's what everybody says. Everybody either says get a job or go to the mint. Yeah?
You know,
Well-
he's magic, you're not.
I have a job. It's over at Fuzzy's Taco Shop. That's not cutting it for me. And also the mint won't have me being a magician. They're scared I'm going to all the money disappear. So I have to do this magically. See, look, if we take the penny, go ahead and place it in my pocket, right? If I go ahead and squeeze, right? If I squeeze, I get a new penny, right? Okay? Actually going to try this again. We're going to take the penny, place it in my pocket, right? Going to go ahead and squeeze. If I squeeze hard enough, get a bigger coin, like a nickel. Check this out. If I take the nickel, put it in my pocket, go ahead and leave my hand in my pocket, right? If I squeeze, what happens? Quarter. That's another nickel. Yeah? Now check this out. If I take the coin, place it in my pocket again, if I squeeze, now what do I get? No money? I would actually technically get nothing because the coin's in my pocket, right? This hand should be empty. If I squeeze hard enough, I get a quarter.
You're right.
No, check this out. If I take the quarter and put it in my pocket and I squeeze, I have you help me squeeze. You hear like payphones.
Yeah, they're like, what? What's a payphone?
Who here knows what a payphone is?
Yeah, okay, I do.
Half the time, if we squeeze hard enough, a lot of time the money doesn't fit in the payphone.
Nice. Caleb, we got to run. Your dad's on his way.
Actually, see, I'm going to Vegas.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm going to Vegas soon. You know what? Here's my interpretation of people going to Vegas. Take the coin, go ahead and gone. Seriously, not behind me, not in my pocket.